Morning, Oaks class. So, if I'm not around, I might be, I might not. Let's crack on with some website design. How exciting! I promised you this last week. Birch class have had a go already. The YouTube video I'm going to ask you to watch next, which has got all of the tutorial on, was written last week. Now, last week we only had Birch class on there, but don't feel left out because today I've just popped up Oaks class and there's all your pages. If you click inside anyone's page, you can see that it's got the name and a photo. The tutorial will show you how to change that photo, no problem. So you can always go and click the home page to get back to the beginning. Please don't change anything on the home page. We had lots of problems with that last week. When you come to do your own editing, please only click inside your own page. What we found last week is that if children were going into each other's pages before the page was published, it was deleting lots of things inside that page. So please don't click inside anybody else's page. You can have a look on the school website once you're done, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But whilst you're editing, be kind and don't go inside anybody else's page. Another thing that it won't show on the tutorial is, and I'm going to go inside my page now, when you come to insert some photos, so let's go down here, and don't worry, all will be explained on the photos. If I'm on the insert section and images, and I come to select a photo, and I go to my Google Drive, all your photos, and I'll show you, it won't show you straight away. You need to go to shared with me, but because I've shared them with you, I need to show you where they are. I've created a folder called Oaks class, and I'm just going to quickly go and find it. Bear with me. There's my photos folder. There's Oaks class. So you need to go into shared with me and look for the Oaks class photos, and inside there you'll have, I've found as many photos as I can. They're all from the school Facebook page, from loads from last year, because let's face it, we've not done loads this year, and fingers crossed you'll be able to use some of those photos to put inside your Facebook page, inside your school page and your own personal page that you'll be able to upload. Remember, it'll be Google Drive, shared with me, and Oaks class. Got it? Right. Over to the other page. Oh, I said I'd show you before I signed off how to look at. Let's cancel that. How to look at the school Facebook page. When you're happy with everything that you've done, you're going to click publish, and you can click publish at any time, but just be sure and be careful that it's the version that you're happy with. This will be the new version on the left, and this will be the version that's currently published. I'm going to click publish now because I've just put in all of your pages, so that'll make that live. Once you've done that, I'm going to go over, I'm just going to open a new tab. And if you click the home page, remember, this is the school website, and anybody in the world can look at this. But if we go to the very bottom of it, have a look at our new pupils website just for the children. Only you guys can see inside this, and staff. And there you go. There's the main. There's your little bit of the website. Pupils rule. Here's Oaks class, and here's all your pages ready to be worked on. Right. Enough from me on this particular YouTube broadcast. You need to go over now to the one that I made for Birch class, which gives you all the instructions of how to get your first page going. Good luck.